Hello friends, welcome back to my trading channel. Today we are going to discuss about another intraday trading strategy. It's a range breakout trading strategy. Let's see how it's working. Before that, if you are not subscribing my channel so far, please do subscribe it. More strategy videos are coming soon, so don't miss it. So let's see how it's working. First of all, selection of stocks. Selection of stocks is very much important for breakout trading strategy. So do one thing, visit nsindia.com. After 9:10, you just visit nsindia.com and market data. You can see pre-market open. So this pre-open market, you just select securities in F&O, and here you can see value. Just sort this one. We want highest value. So these are the stocks are highest value traded in pre-market. So we just want these stocks. Just select top 5 stocks from here. Here the HDFC Bank, Reliance, HDFC, Infi and Tata Steel. These are the 5 stocks. Okay. So first stock is HDFC Bank. You just type HDFC Bank. Next we need to find the range. Okay. So here this is the range. You can see this is the range. But it's manually it's difficulty to find the best range for consolidation range. So we can use an indicator. I just developed an indicator, range breakout indicator. So just apply that indicator, that it will be showing whether if the stock is in consolidation, it will be marked the best range for consolidation. So once this arrow is formed, you do one thing, you can use horizontal tool and mark the level. Then once it's break the high, you can go for buy. And if it breaks the low, you can go for sell, like that. So the HDFC Bank, after 1 o'clock, its breakout is happened, then it goes up. The next stock is Reliance. So Reliance, you can see the range is more. See, whenever the range is more, you just avoid the stocks. How to find the range means, here you can see the measure tool. You just click this measure tool and low to high, you just check it. So here you can see 1.44, that means it's more than 1%. So if the range is more than 1%, just leave that stocks. The next one is HDFC. See HDFC also, we can see the range here. Okay. So once you see the range, you just mark the high and low. And if it's break the high, you can go for buy. Okay, this is also inside the range of 1%. We can take this stock also. See, once it's break the high, it goes up. Next one is Infi. Okay, Infi, you can see the range is more, so just avoid it. This particular Infi stock, you can see the range is more, so just avoid it. And last one is Tata Steel. See Tata Steel also, you can see the exact consolidation range it's marked. The tool is marked the exact consolidation range. So you can mark the high and low. And once it's break the high, we can go for buy. See, it's got a good, Tata Steel got a good movement. And this tool code I will post on my Telegram channel, and this tool code will be available only next 24 hours. After that, I am removed from the code from the channel. So just download it now. Okay. After that, this tool become paid indicator. That's why now it's free indicator. You can download from my Telegram channel, and the link is valid only 24 hours. So once you download the code from my Telegram channel, just go to the Pine editor, and here you can paste it and click add to chart. Okay. So hope you like this trading strategy, and if you have any doubt, do send a mail to nicholasneelo2017@gmail.com. Also visit my website nicholasneelo.com. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, just search Nicholas Neil on your Telegram and join it. And if you have any doubt, you can WhatsApp me anytime. Thank you for watching. I will be back with another trading strategy video. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.